If you guys do not know yet, this is my 10th day of trying to become an indie game dev, and this is my indie game that I'm making so far, and this is Pie Poker. Yeah. So the updates for today, yesterday I added golden pies, I think. Today, I got sound effects every time you click, and I also made farms a thing now. So yeah, you can buy a farm, and then it makes you more things, and then you just golden pies. That's my 10th day of coding. What else do you guys want me to add? Just tell me in the comments, like, subscribe, whatever. Yeah, short one today. See you guys tomorrow.